3. What's up, DF gang? It's the Dope Family. Yeah. And we're back with another video. So today, guys, she wants me to try this mukbang with Alfredo sauce. SMRs. You ready to try them on? You sure? You think it's gonna be good? You eat anything though. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna get into this video. The boys are going where they're at. So it's just the girls today. They might be mad, but they be alright. You ready? What you wanna eat first? Corn? Get the corn in. Get the corn in. Mommy gonna move your I'm gonna move your juice over here, okay? Okay. But I don't know. For some reason, I just feel like this is about to be disgusting. So on the side, I got my regular butter sauce.
It's gonna be good.
Cause I don't know where she be getting this stuff from.
YouTube.
You know, TikTok.
SMRs.
Whatever. So we got a mukbang with some potatoes, corn, shrimp, and crab legs. I'm gonna try it with the butter sauce first. Cause I feel like, ooh, y'all something? I feel like I gotta warm up to that.
It's good. Try it.
Good. Girl, you ain't even chew it all. You like it?
It's good. We don't want. It's good. We gotta give shrimp more flavor.
It's just like eating shrimp Alfredo.
No. But what you really gotta taste is with the crab.
The crab leg. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know. Alright. Alright, y'all. We gonna try.
It's good. I don't know what you. You don't like it?
Wait, cause
this is why we need scissors.
It's not that bad though. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
It's smack. I don't know what she's talking about.
I can say it was not that bad.
You wanna taste it?
So y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our channel because we're gonna be dropping them bangers.
Okay.
Real soon. We got some bangers already, so make sure y'all go check out our other videos. And tomorrow, I should say, we about to have a family movie night. And y'all gotta definitely watch that video. Because girl, why you always copying somebody? It's good, mama. You like corn.
That's the first thing she was scoring for.
But yeah, we gonna catch y'all that new movie, Space Jam. How you feel about that? How you feel about them remaking another Space Jam?
I'm watching the first Space Jam.
You don't remember the first Space Jam with Michael Jordan?
I don't remember.
Girl.
I don't talk about the one with the kid and he jumped into the air. I don't know.
Bruh.
Like what?
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't remember the Looney Tunes? Michael Jordan. He stretched his arm.
I'm actually.
And he was playing baseball.
And it was basketball.
But he played baseball as well in that movie. His son played baseball too.
I kind of remember.
But we watching that movie tonight, cause how you gonna watch the second one and you don't even remember the first one?
You gotta refresh my mind.
Girl, we gonna watch it tonight because you on some other stuff. Alright, I can get down with it. It ain't that bad. But I know it ain't gonna taste good with these potatoes though.
It's giving me flavor.
It's giving you flavor. Look at you looking your dangle. Girl. You is funny. You're funny. Y'all, we kind of missed the boys though. But we had fun today. You don't miss the shade. The shade. She threw the whole tree.
I didn't say nothing.
I miss my children. It's just real quiet and I ain't yelling as much without them. Because they be on some other stuff. The boys is just different. You miss Bubba?
Of course. You just look like a sad puppy when they left.
Yo, she was in the back of the car when we dropped them off. She was back there, lip poked out and everything. It was just bad.
Girl.
But yeah, tomorrow we gonna make a tent down here.
What you asking?
What, the potatoes? What is giving? What is giving? What kind of vibes is giving?
It's not giving a vibe. It's just plain.
Let me taste for myself, cause you.
No, I would say bite into it first and then dip it again. It's good to me, and we got different
taste buds.
But it's good.
It's giving me like
chill.
Baked potato vibes.
Is that the only thing you'll eat?
It's giving me like baked potato vibes with some sauce.
Water is good for you guys.
Drink it H2O. I got mine.
That's not water.
It is water. It's sparkling water. Black cherry.
You guys.
I feel like I had. Oh. We was about to explode over here. Nah, but I feel like I wanted kind of like a soda, but I didn't want soda.
I want that.
This?
I want that.
Oh man, you can't have this.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you about to drop it.
Don't look at her like that.
You about to drop it.
Dip it in the sauce, mama.
You about to drop it. You about to drop it.
Look, dip it in the sauce.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me know how you taste it, how you like it. Girl,
What's wrong?
let's see. Let me see with the regular sauce.
It's
You
giving.
give it thumbs up? Girl. Now she gonna want this with everything. She gonna want this all the time. Can you get some Alfredo sauce?
Come.
You okay? You need some juice? No juice? Juice?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
It's giving, mama.
Yeah.
I know, mommy just.
I want that one.
We back. Sorry, we had some technical difficulties. But yeah,
I want that
yeah, we like it.
Okay.
What y'all, comment down below what y'all want to see us do.
Dude, like.
Let us know.
Y'all gotta.
Y'all gotta engage with us. So even though we just getting started with YouTube, the kids really love us. So you know, this is what they like to do.
You want shrimp?
And they be just reeling me in. So we definitely gotta
You're welcome.
give get some ideas because
Hey.
I almost broke my name on
I
TV.
got credit. Ah, man.
Imagine with all day with these two.
It's gonna be me. It'll be her.
A 16-year-old and a 2-year-old going back and forth all day. And they really be arguing.
Who's trying first? You.
No.
See. They go back and forth all the time.
Don't copy me.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Soraya.
So I am. Yeah.
You.
Girl.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna just eat a potato on a regular and my butter sauce. And then again.
I don't know what you want, but
It's good.
I did good.
Butter sauce hit different on the potato.
Girl, listen to me. Thank you.
No.
Good.
We're gonna prank the boys soon. We're gonna get there.
I got a perfect idea.
We're gonna get y'all. When y'all get home and y'all watch this video, just be prepared.
Okay, girl.
I'm glad we ain't those people that hurts my last nerve.
I'll do that.
I do
I'm
that.
not doing it now.
I do it now. I do it now.
Here comes. Here now. Oh my god.
Girl, I love me some potatoes though. Okay. What's the latest tea?
Got no pee.
Danny Lay. Pregnant.
Mine.
It better not be the baby.
Just like a I don't even know nothing.
Anybody know me? No.
She's in love with the baby.
Jonathan
Girl,
Kirk.
If you see this, hey. If you see this,
I just love the baby. Like everything about him.
if you see this,
His chocolate skin, his smile, his swag, his music.
if you see this, please reach out.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I swear. He can cook. I love he a family
How you know
man.
you can cook?
He be cooking on Instagram, girl.
You a stalker.
I'm a fan, baby.
I love you.
Girl.
She know
I'm a
him.
fan.
She know all his music.
I love you.
We know you do, Mama.
You do too. What he say?
Ball.
My mom.
What he say? What's your song?
Mama, yeah.
I can dollar if I want to. Ball.
But
Girl. That's your song?
yeah.
It's just actually good though. Good idea for the night.
The ball right here, baby.
Girl.
Brother, nothing.
You stick.
I'm a mess.
No, I didn't mess.
Girl, we had a little technical
Yeah,
Why you keep saying-
difficulties. Camera died.
It's not girl. It's DF gang.
But
Like that.
is it good?
Yes.
Girl, she done made a mess over there.
Don't love me.
Girl.
It wasn't my fault. Look, the rest of it.
You want some meat, girl? Here.
Oh,
Get her some.
Oh. Sorry.
It's not even nasty. Don't even do that. It's good.
These things hit different.
Told you. I'm the best cook. I
I'm
cook
gonna
this.
everything.
Yes. Amen.
Amen.
Stop lying to our channel.
No, but I can cook too. My coffee on.
We not gonna. Yo.
You know I ain't never cooked for you before.
You have, but you
Yes,
be
I
burning,
have.
making.
No, I don't. You tell them that. Yeah, my bacon. I have my bacon burnt.
Now she don't. She got it down pat now. But when she started, I heard the train.
Huh?
You heard the train.
Mm.
It was loud.
But yeah,
No.
y'all. I can cook.
I
I can cook on the grill too.
Poquito. Poquito. You know, I went to Puerto Rico and got my little Espanol.
Beso.
Bedu.
Beso.
Bedu.
You're not doing it. Beso.
Bedu.
Beso. Beso.
You trying to steal our thing.
Hey. Beso.
Let's try to kiss your cheek.
Oh, thank you, baby.
How you know that name? I told you what they mean. So, we watch Spanish stuff. And that's what beso. Beso means kiss in Spanish, I think.
What
Somebody. 1,
do
3,
what
5,
what
7,
I
9.
do
Good job. That's my smart girl.
Mm-mm-mm.
What's your name?
what
Raya. How old are you?
do
You 2?
You dropping food.
What's my name?
mommy
Well, who that?
yeah
Mm-hmm.
No.
yeah
That's Naya.
What's my real name?
yeah
That's not my real name.
You gonna tell them your real name?
Oh. Because I don't like my name. Here. Deny in it.
That ain't me. Hey.
Y'all want to know her real name?
Don't even think about it. Don't even try it, killer.
So y'all, when I learn how to work the camera, I'ma just get it. I'm gonna be the prank master. And when I say I got some heat coming for y'all, I got some heat.
You gotta learn how to work it first.
I mean, I got my phone, but it's not gonna be good quality. I'd rather the camera, so y'all just gotta bear with me with the minimum of me learning how to work the camera. What? You hear big words? I can speak.
Okay with that vocabulary. She Googled it.
I did. I did not Google it. I know how to talk.
What do you mean?
What? Bare minimum? What do what mean?
Damn, bare minimum. What do you mean?
Bear with me, like, I'm gonna take up. It's a process. Like you have to.
That's bare. What does minimum mean?
But I did not use Google though. I just hear somebody say that.
You trying to be funny? You throwing shade? You throwing tree? Cause I've been saying that.
What?
The bare minimum means the lowest.
Lowest esteem.
The lowest esteem? What the hell? You mom. Yeah. So say you with somebody and
Oh, that's what you mean? Oh man.
no, I'm not. Girl, no, we ain't even gonna use that example. Like say, I tell you to clean the kitchen, right? And
I'm gonna clean the bare minimum, half of it, the lowest.
there you go. Okay, with the contact clues. Alright, sis, you learned. You still kind of laughing? Get yourself together. Yo.
She tried to make it seem
Yo,
like,
it's fun. Yo.
well, I don't know what I'm talking about.
You too?
What's up with you?
Mama, what you saw today? What you saw when we was at the store? That's in the sky. And then you just start laughing and go back to regular face.
I was so y'all can see she goofy.
What you saw? The moon?
Yes.
It was pretty?
Yes. Not done.
It was dark?
Yes. Not done.
It's gone.
It was gone?
Oh, yeah.
You want to see it?
Yes.
Okay. You want to put it in the video? Wait.
You brought it up.
You got to finish eating first, then we'll go see the moon, okay? Alright.
You wanna go in the moon? We can go out of space. It's gonna be a lot of money though. You wanna use mommy savings? Yes. Are you with me? High five.
That's going you.
Yay!
Y'all tripping.
We wanna go out of space. Can we make a trip?
That one,
Y'all want everything.
you.
Y'all want the moon, the sun, and the earth. And for me to move mountains.
I mean, I understand none of that, but okay.
They will. Alright, y'all. So, the camera died. So, we about to
So y'all the moon!
go to the moon.
To the moon!
To the moon we go.
Baby!
Alright. So, y'all. Close the door, girl. I don't even see the moon no more. It's really going.
The moon is gone. It left us. It's probably at Walmart.
Yo, it's really going.
So we walk to Walmart? Hey, that's a walk. Mama, it gone.
Yeah, no moon.
The moon left us.
It was bright as hell earlier, but the moon.
We're on the channel. Watch your mouth.
Sorry, guys.
Wait, the moon. Oh, that's not it. It's a light.
No, that's the light. The moon really is going.
You guys, sorry, Mama.
Sorry, Mama.
We see the moon tomorrow.
Oh, you really sad.
It's okay.
Beso.
No, she don't even want to get Beso.
Oh man, she sad. But yeah, the moon's gone, Mama. It's no more moon. All right, let's go get some candy. You don't want no candy? All right, guys. So we're gonna close out this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get our
Make sure you
latest
tell a
video.
friend, tell a friend, tell a family, tell a cousin, brother, sister, brother.
Grandma. All of
Tell
them.
the whole family.
Tell the family. But we love y'all. Peace.